Enabling God Mode in Windows 10 gives you a centralized location to access various settings and options. It's not an official feature but rather a folder that contains shortcuts to many Windows settings. Here's how to set it up. Create a new folder. Right-click on your desktop or any folder location. Select New Folder. Rename the folder. Rename the new folder with the following text. Access the God Mode folder. Double-click the folder to access its contents. It will display various settings categorized by function. This God Mode folder provides access to an extensive list of Windows settings and controls, making it easier to manage and find specific options compared to navigating through the traditional control panel or settings menu. Some of the settings categorized by function in the God Mode folder are Administrative Tools, Autoplay, Backup and Restore Category, BitLocker Drive Encryption, and many more.